Mainit. Ow, 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 ow. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Aray, 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 aray. Okay, need to train yourself. Hello OG! Nandito tayo sa Los Baños, Laguna. Kasama natin si Sir Jam, si Mika, tsaka si Kuya CJ. Ayun, nandun sa duyan. Kuya CJ, hi! Hello! Ayan. Nag-shoot tayo na, ayan, OG. So they assigned me this new toy. It's called a slider. And I enjoyed it so far. It showed me an entire new world of shots that I never knew possible. Unlike the gimbal na handheld, ito kailangan steady siya. Kabit siya either sa tripod or sa kapatong sa table, mas stable siya kaysa sa gimbal. Side mo lang. No, that's fine. 6:03, we got here at around 2 p.m. We did some shots ng facade, ng B-rolls, tapos interview din sa property owner. We're gonna be spending the night here. Yan, meron silang pool or jacuzzi. Yeah. Yan, tama. May second round pa kami bukas. Thank you, Mika. Yes. Ayun yung gusto kong bilhin. Yan. Ayun. Yan. Kaya lang yung nabili ko yung murang version lang. Look at that. Yeah. Meron silang pool.
First shoot of the year!
Yeah, it's our first shoot of the year. First project of the year.
Sobrang lagi kami nagpapasalamat dahil lagi namin kasama si JT Ventures.
Yeah.
Hirap ang schedule niya.
Hindi naman.
Pero minsan kailangan ilamping para tumasa sa akin.
So yung pool nila guys, galing siya sa deep well. So hindi siya katulad ng ibang mga pool or jacuzzi na ginagamitan ng motor para uminit. It's natural. So mainit siya kung dito kayo, tapos mapupuntahan nyo yung pool para kang ano. Alam mo yung sa kape, pag ginano mo yung daliri mo, yung sa kainit.
Dinner time! Inasal dito sa Los Baños.
That's a wrap for today. It's 7:05 and kainan na. Yan, no? Inasal. Hindi siya yung mga inasal na kilala natin. It's local. Kakain na inihaw, favorite. Meron Java rice, yeah. As we mentioned earlier, yung pool nila doesn't use any form of artificial methods to heat up. Galing siya sa deep well, which means sa pinakailalim ng lupa. And natural siyang mainit. So ang ginagawang araw, pagka lumamig na yung tubig, papalitan nila tapos panibagong batch. We're gonna try it now. Get tayo. Woo! Mainit! Mainit! Ow! 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 It takes some conditioning to get comfortable. Mainit siya guys. If I were to describe it, alam mo yung pag nag-init ka ng tubig, tapos yung hindi pa enough yung paghalo ng malamig na tubig dun sa ano, sa bucket na ginagamit mo. Para hindi ka pwedeng tumalon dito kasi mapapaso ka. It's really hot. Pero parang pang-relax siya kasi malamig dito. Ow! Ouch! Aray, aray.
Yo, dito sa banda rin.
Okay. Ayun si Jem. He's there. Good. So si Mika at si Kuya CJ, they went out. Punta 7-Eleven to buy some essentials. Kami lang muna dito and we're gonna go swimming. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Aray, 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 aray. Okay. Need to train yourself. Kailangan dahan-dahan to get to it. Ouch. So, aside from the pool, merong separate area dito, which is the jacuzzi. Let's try it. Ay, mas tolerable yung temperature dito. Don't know how they do it, but it's the same water naman. So yeah.
Oh.
Nakaka-relax. Yun nga. Kung bago ka, parang hindi recommended na tumalon kasi mainit. Parang nakapasok. Kailangan mo muna i-condition yung skin mo para to tolerate. Parang dahan-dahan mo ba. Yeah. Let's go. Swimming. Gonna set this down for a while. Go for a swim. Dip tayo. Sana kaya na ng katawan ko. Let's go. We'll switch to the GoPro. I mean action cam. So earlier I mentioned that I'm gonna be switching to the action cam, but I ultimately decided against it because the water is too hot and I am not sure if my street level gear can withstand the temperature. So no underwater shots today. Okay, yun. Tsika na lang muna tayo sa ganyan. Anyway, yung mga kasama ko umahon na, shower na. I'm gonna be showering in a while and then probably work on some deliverables before I go to sleep. Maaga kami bukas and we have another pull out. This time it's in Binangonan. See you tomorrow or see you later. We're just doing a few more shots before we pull out here and move to our next location in Binangonan, Rizal. It's around 10 Langrelo. Around 10 and plano is to pull out at around 11 so we can get to Binangonan in ilang oras ba? 2 or 3 hours maybe? Or maybe 1 hour. Sana mabilis lang. Yan. No traffic hopefully. Yan. Malamig pala dito kaya rin yung pool nila is heated or at least hot yung water. Malamig kaninang umaga. Paglabas mo, kala mo may aircon sa labas. Yan. Say hi, Master.
Morning!
Yeah,
Morning
Master.
from
Morning.
Los Baños, Laguna.
Yeah.
Just first shoot project.
Yeah. Next destination na kami. Saan tayo?
Rizal.
It's Rizal.
Rizal.
So, second shoot namin. Second project namin. So more to soon. Lagi nyo kami panoorin sa OG channel.
Yeah.
Your support will be
A big help.
appreciated.
Inulan kami. Sana maya-maya tumigil na yung ulan. Hate it when it rains.
Kasi need namin magpalipad ng
Drone. Lumalakas mga kaibigan. Sana po maya-maya. Sana sa Rizal wala ng ulan. Yan. Yung dinudukot mo dyan, madam. Ayan o. So kailangan niya po mag-charge. Ayan, hindi niya madukot. Kaya mo yan, Mika.
Baba niya
Ay.
yung tinatapakan niya ibaba. Kasi yan eh. Baga nakaangat kasi.
Sir, asan na?
Philippine Airlines pa pala yan.
ng drone.
Hindi.
Drone ang gamit. Ayan.